Hello, and welcome back to Las Vegas. Today we're touring another 5-star hotel at the heart of the Las Vegas Strip. For today's room tour, we're at the Bellagio, staying in a Fountain View King Room located on the 12th floor. Stay with us till the end to see our amazing fountain view and what we did, or should I say didn't, pay for this room. As we enter, there is a luxurious marble bathroom appointed in neutral tones and high-end finishes. This was inspired by Lake Como in Italy. There is also an oversized shower, dual sinks, lighted bathroom mirror, and most importantly, a makeup mirror. I was surprised at the materials they used in this room with the environment in mind. There are quite a few sustainability features. Air circulation improved by 180%, LED lighting, furnishings crafted from eucalyptus, which is a fast-growing renewable resource, double towel bar to encourage more reuse and less laundering, and organic carpeting. As we step out of the bathroom, on the right, there's a nice-sized walk-in closet, an in-room safe, and plush bathrobes for lounging. A sense of luxury hits you as you walk into the room. It's full of high-end touches, and on top of that, the best views in Vegas. The room is 510 square feet of sophisticated decor and modern amenities. The king bed features a plush premium handcrafted mattress. I might add, the bed was extremely comfortable. There is a 55-inch TV and a credenza with a generously stocked minibar that actually has a personal shelf to store your own items. This is actually really amazing, as most mini fridges have no extra space. There's a few drawers here, and there is also an ice bucket with real glasses. The Bellagio has 24-hour in-room dining. The food was very good and not as crazy priced as you would think, considering you're in a 5-star hotel right in the center of the Las Vegas Strip. There's a couch for lounging, and this room features smart lighting and automatic drapery controls. We have a marble table in the corner with comfortable seating, and the best part of this room, the view. All right, how much did we pay for this room? $0 actually. When Cosmo was bought by MGM, our loyalty status transferred over. We didn't have a high tier level, but we had a 4 free night stay at any MGM property. We picked Bellagio and would have only had to pay the $55 daily resort fee plus the tax. But we did some research, and Bellagio does status match with Caesars. Our daily resort fee was waived, so our total was $0 for this room. If you've been following us for a while, you might have noticed that we absolutely love the Bellagio fountains. We've had Cosmo, Caesars Palace, and now Bellagio, all with fountain views. Subscribe to us for more Las Vegas hotel tours. We have over 20 hotel room tours. We'll be back at Bellagio next month to review another room. Stay tuned. The thrill is gone. Yeah, it's gone away. Okay, here we go. Like and subscribe for more travel hacks. Next up, the Royal. 5 nights, no resort fee. See you soon.